In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to synchronize Notion and Google Calendar easily. Synchronizing these two essential tools can streamline your workflow and help you stay organized. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get this set up. First, let's open Google Calendar in your browser. This is your starting point. In Google Calendar, on the left side under My Calendars, you'll see a list of your calendars. Find the calendar you want to synchronize and hover over it. Here you'll see three dots. Click on them and a menu will pop up. Select Settings and Sharing from this menu. This step takes you to the settings specific to that calendar. Now, once you're in the settings, scroll down to find the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This is a crucial step, so pay attention. Here you need to turn on the option that says Make Available to Public. Although this might seem like a big step, it's necessary for embedding your calendar into other applications like Notion. Enabling this setting ensures that the calendar can be shared and viewed outside of Google Calendar. After making your calendar public, continue scrolling down until you find the Integrate Calendar section. This part of the settings offers you a few different options to choose from. You will want to copy either the public URL or the embed code. Both of these options will allow you to share your calendar in Notion, so choose the one that you're comfortable with. Once you've copied the desired link or code, head over to Notion. Open up the page where you want your Google Calendar to be displayed. This page could be for a project, a personal schedule, or anything else you keep organized in Notion. In this Notion page, type Embed in your document. Alternatively, you can paste the link directly into the page and then select Create Embed from the options that appear. This action embeds the calendar directly into your Notion page. Once the calendar is embedded, you'll see it displayed right within your Notion workspace. It's important to remember, though, that the calendar is read only when it's in Notion. This means you can view your events, but you won't be able to edit or add new events directly from Notion. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully synchronized your Google Calendar with Notion. While the in-app experience is read only, this integration allows you to keep track of your schedule alongside all your other Notion content, which can be incredibly useful for maintaining an organized and efficient workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!